Hi, my name is Pinky. I've recently moved out alone and today I'm going to paint my fridge green. Okay, so to make it less messy, I am not actually using the paint. I'm using the self-adhesive wallpaper. So I'll be using this. Okay, I might need my big girl tools and I'm going to measure it and then I'm going to make sure that I cut that part so that it's easy for me to apply it and it kind of looks clean as well. Why do I think this is a two-people job? Okay, yes, okay. No, 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 we can't have bubbles, no, oh. I need something, I need something, I need something.
Huh? Huh?
I'm sweating, this is really stressful. Yeah, no, no. Ah. I like it. I love it. I think I like it. Hold on. So, this was my normal fridge. And these were what I've done so far.